Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both devices. This reduces interference and saves time. Turn the Swift VXI ignition to ACC or on so the head unit is powered. Keep the car stationary. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and set it visible. Now, on the car display, open Settings, choose Bluetooth, and select Add Device or Pair New Device. This first step initiates discovery, why it matters. The head unit broadcasts a pairing signal that your phone must detect to proceed. Once the head unit is discoverable, scan with your phone and select the entry labeled Swift or the unit ID shown on screen. You'll see a PIN on both displays. Compare and confirm on each device. This prevents man-in-the-middle issues. After confirming, allow necessary permissions for phone audio and contacts so calls and media work. If the PIN doesn't match, cancel and retry once. Many systems fall back to common codes like 0000 or 1234. You finish by validating connections. Play music and place a test call to confirm both A2DP and HFP are working. This proves audio and microphone routing are correct. Then, set your phone as the priority device in the car's Bluetooth menu so it reconnects automatically. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Reboot your phone and the head unit, delete stale pairings on both sides, then attempt pairing again. One key tip: clear old devices on the car first. Stale profiles often block new connections.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.